Alright YouTube, check out this. We are at another payphone at the Circle K in Northeast Tacoma in Washington, and we have a paytel payphone from, I don't know what year this is, but let's take a look at it, shall we? As you can see, so at one point there was a second one, but that one's actually long gone. Does it have a dial tone? No. The speaker's broken, but everything else does look to seem intact. Here's the coin return. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, look at that. Good. If you guys want to read this, please pause now to read. Here's the phone box looks like. No phone box, but see ya guys. Like the video, subscribe, enable that bell. That's it. Have a good day.